Storm Team 44, powered by Bracket Heating, Air, and Plumbing.
Winter wonderland across the tri-state this morning. So anywhere from a quarter to a half inch, maybe a little bit more down the US 31 corridor into Davis County out toward Tell City. So we got on the grass. The bridges and overpasses were a little slick this morning. Be careful because we're still tracking some snow shower activity out to our west. Here's live Storm Team 44 Doppler radar. So southeastern sections of Illinois right now. So we're talking about just north of Parkersburg, Olney, so darker shades of purple. So some accumulation may be happening, especially on the grassy surfaces. Temperatures were really, really cold today, especially with that wind chill. About 10 degrees, feeling 10 degrees colder than what the thermometer said. So lower 30s, feeling like the lower 20s in all locations across the tri-state. Here's I-64, so around Mill Shoals up toward Fairfield. Some accumulation possible on grassy surfaces. Then you got some flurries here around New Haven. All this moving in a southeasterly direction. So here was the snow shower activity earlier in the last couple of hours. They have dropped the winter weather advisory for Du Bois, Hancock, Ohio, and Perry counties. So we're kind of in this break, Evansville, but out to the west, we're seeing thicker cloud cover. So here's that snow shower activity I was showing you on live Storm Team 44 Doppler radar. So that might be moving. You might be starting to see some flurries here in the next 10, 15 minutes around Mount Vernon and maybe closer to around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the city of Evansville. Here's a pretty shot. The bend in the Ohio River, sky starting to clear out, at least in Evansville. Here's the cloud cover of the snow shower activity out in southeastern Illinois. Here's a live view over downtown Evansville. Here's the snow shower activity pushing off to the east of Tell City. Temperatures, as I said, cold right now, 35 degrees. So this is what the thermometer says in Evansville, 39 in Henderson. It's 37 in Owensboro, 38 degrees right now in Carmi. You got the winds howling in from the north and west, gusting up to 21 miles per hour right now in Evansville, 12 in Owensboro and Tell City. And that's creating a chill factor, right? So it feels like 28 degrees in Evansville, 27 in Henderson, 26 in Olney, and it feels like 28 degrees right now in Clay. So as we go throughout the next couple of hours, Storm Team 44 Futurecast. So we're going to see some flurry activity through the evening hours here in Evansville, Henderson, over toward Owensboro. 8 o'clock starts to clear on out. Clouds start to filter in back in for sunrise on Tuesday. We'll call it partly cloudy. It's going to be slightly warmer. The thermometer will get warmer, but winds are still going to be around 10 to 20 miles per hour, so it's still going to be kind of a chill out there. As we go through Wednesday, it's an improving day, so we're getting back into the 60s. Here we go. Starting to feel pretty good Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We may see numbers getting very, very close to 70 degrees. So here we are. Temperatures staying around freezing, 5, 6 o'clock, falling into the upper 20s by bedtime to an overnight low of 24 degrees in Evansville, Henderson, down to Madisonville. But it's going to feel like it did this morning. We're going to have winds coming in around 13, 14, 15 miles per hour. So we're going to have a wind chill about 10 degrees colder than this. So it's going to feel like 15 degrees, 16, 17 degrees out the door tomorrow morning. So you got to bundle up. The temperatures, again, will start to rise to a high of 53 degrees in Evansville, Madisonville, over toward Tell City. And then we have a nice warm up. Here we go. Mostly sunny skies. We're keeping that sunshiny theme around near 65 degrees on Wednesday and Thursday. We might reach 70 degrees by Friday.